Hey folks, welcome to Canva Tutorials for Beginners. Hey, I want y'all to check out this Canva hack. You're going to take anything that has a color scheme. We'll just go to Designs here, and you pick out something, just anything like this. And what we're going to do, you're going to go to a new tab. You're going to Google color scheme. You're going to go to Images. Just look for a color scheme that you like. We're going to do this one. You're going to right click it, copy image, go back to your design, paste what you just copied, and now you're going to right click on this image, scroll to the bottom here, it says apply colors to page. Click that and check it out. You get the colors to the page. You get the color scheme, whatever scheme you want. You don't like that one, you do it again. And it just goes on down the line. Check it out. Apply colors. It's just so cool. Saves a lot of time. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.